Our snow situation has gotten worse overnight. I just woke up, getting ready to let the dogs out, and look at this. I don't know how much more we got, but it looks like a lot. Oh, I don't even know how the dogs are gonna get through it. All right, let's see. I'm gonna let them out and I'll record it. You guys ready? Okay, they've got their collars on and I'm gonna open the door. You guys ready? Let's zoom out. Okay. Wow, they wasted no time. But as you can see, look how it's deep. All right, time to let them in now. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yay. Since they did such a good job in the snow, I'm going to give them a special treat this morning. Their favorite. They always come running when they hear it. As you can see, they know the routine. This isn't the first time they've gotten this treat. I guess I'll give myself some too. Okay, let's go sit by the fire. Come on, let's go. And this is how we'll spend the rest of our morning, sipping coffee by the fire. Thanks for spending the morning with us. I hope you enjoyed this cozy morning, and I hope you're having a cozy morning. Take care.